Good morning. Hope y'all are doing good. Nice, nasty, rainy day this morning. These calves are in here chilling out, getting a little snack at the creek feed in the dry. They happy. Hope y'all are having a good day, or a good start to your day. Today's Wednesday. All right, we're gonna go over here and pick up some chickens. Rainy day, but we still gotta do what we do. I think I've got a new calf on the ground. We're gonna go try to see if we can see what it is. Lots of rain, lots of rain. Old two-wheel drive golf cart goes pretty good. Got a lot of commotion going on over here where the other cows are. Let's see what we can find. Of course, they picked a nasty rainy day. Oh, I see a calf. What you got, mama? Huh? Sorry for the side view. The camera has decided to change directions. Heifer calf. A big old one. What is it, Mom? Get my bag of goodies. Curious donkeys. Oh, everybody's coming. Give her a little extra time. Everybody's coming to check it out. That is one big old long calf. Unfortunately, we don't get to pick when they calve. Rain, shine, snow, anything. Grass is looking good though. Lots of green. Hope you are enjoying the content. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you. I'm gonna go over here and check some cows over here at the feeder. I think I've got one that's got into some mischief. Yeah, sure enough. Turn you guys around where you can see. You ain't supposed to be there. I don't know where he's going. Go back here and try to see if we can't catch some of these calves I need to wean off. They come in here to the creep area. I'm hoping there's going to be a few in here. There's a few in here. Coming to check calves. And this goober, she's done got herself locked in here. What are you doing in here? Come on, get out of here. Go on. Get out of here. Now I can go in here and try to catch just the one I need. I need this big girl right here, number 3. See what she's gonna weigh in at. Get up there. $6.12. That'll work. Got some nice young calves here, some steers, some heifers. Big old fat boy right there. Ending the day. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate you watching all of our footage we got going on. Been a very nasty day today. Raining. Got calves hollering in the background everywhere. But we'll see you on the next video. We appreciate it. See ya.